Hello guys, welcome back to Think World. In this tutorial, we're gonna see about how to copy the text or numbers to the clipboard in Android programmatically. And by the way, if you are looking for a good project, you are an Android beginner, I have mentioned the code above. You can check. It is an COVID live tracker and very simple, easy project and current trending project. So let's don't waste the time and on to the video. So here I'm making a new activity. So in the name of copy text to clipboard. So here we got an Java and XML part. So let us first finish the XML part. Layout part. So let's change the constant layout to linear layout. Actually this is a very simple layout. So let me remove the hello world and making the orientation as vertical and gravity as center. Yeah, okay. So inside linear layout, first I will create an edit text with the width as match parent and height as wrap content and making a hit as type something, and I am closing this. So next one is button. So width and height as wrap content and the text as copy text to clipboard. Sorry, whatever maybe you can change it. This is just an example purpose, and making the margin as 10 sp and closing this. So before and go to app, right click it and go to vector asset and click the clipart icon. So here you can see the various kind of icons you can use. It is provided by Android, Apache license, under Apache license. So I am searching copy and click the copy icon and select OK. So I am just renaming it and making this as copy and clicking next and finish button. Okay, so the icon is entered in our drawable folder. So I am making drawable left. So inside just I am making copy. So here see we can get this icon the left side. Okay, so let me create ID for both edit text and button. So ID is edit text, same the edit text and button. Yeah, okay, perfect. So let's move on to the Java file. So here let us declare edit text and button in the private. Okay, so let us combine those edit text and button in the R file, r.id file. Okay, plus control plus D because we don't have to write again and again, so it's a shortcut. Yeah, okay. So let's add button on click listener. So for the button dot set on click listener, inside this we have to pass an anonymous class. Everyone know that on click listener. Okay, so here we are going to perform all the things. So for that, first we have to create an clipboard manager object. At the right hand side we have to pass the get system service method. So inside this parameter we have to pass context dot C should be capital and context dot clipboard service. Yeah, okay, click enter. So semicolon, it should be error because we have to typecast it. So typecast to as clipboard manager. Yeah, okay. So in the next line we have to create an object for clip data. So equal to first clip data dot, here there are many one, we are going to set as new plain text. So clip data dot new plain text. Okay, so in the first parameter it is like an label, so you can mention anyone. I am mentioning it as edit text. You can mention whatever you like. So in the next parameter we have to pass those edit text which we are going to copy it. So we are going to copy the user who are writing, say I am typing. So those edit text will be copied to the clipboard. So for that, the third line is clipboard manager dot set primary clip. Inside this we have to pass clip data object. That's all. So before that we have to check certain things. First, whether we have to check the user is entered a string or not. So for that, get editText.getText.toString. So there is a equals method. So before we can use this as isEmpty method. It will check if it is empty and it will enter to the true part. If editText is empty, no user types anything, and will move to the if condition, otherwise it will move to the else part. So in the if condition, if the user type nothing, we have to print a toast message. So for that I am checking this as toast message. See, this is a live template. If you know how it came, I have mentioned the code above, you can check that. So here I can pause, I can write anything. Let me write as type something. Yeah, okay. So once user type and press the copy button, we have to press it, make a toast message that text is copied to clipboard. Yeah, okay, perfect. So see here, this is one option available in Android Studio, one plugin. So this plugin will help you for Wi-Fi. So those who are connecting debugging in their smartphones, you have to use USB cable, but I am using Wi-Fi. So this is my Realme 3 Pro device. I am just connecting. So if you know how it came, I have mentioned the card above, which is best plugins. You can check that. So this is the output. So first let's press a button. It will toast a message as type something, because we have never typed anything. So let's say this hello world and press the copy button. So the text has been copied to the clipboard. Now we check this. So here I am just long press and it have a paste button. So see here hello world has been pasted. So that's all guys. If you learn anything new in this tutorial, press like button. And if you have any queries, you can comment in comment box. And those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, because for many Android tutorials, tips and projects. And thank you. Bye bye.